Hello everyone. Today we're going to have a look at how beef cattle are raised, both in pastures and in the barn. The penning area. An alley allows beef producers to move several cattle at a time, making cattle handling easier and more efficient. Handling system equipment allows producers to handle the animals more efficiently. It functions by gathering animals into a group pen and then funneling them into the chute. Animals walk single file down the chute, where they're held for routine health or sorting. This mechanism is called a squeeze chute. It's used to keep the cow calm when you're working with them. For this mechanism, the animal doesn't get spooked as easily. A head caught in the chute restrains the cattle for necessary procedures, while ensuring the safety of both the cattle and the human handlers. Scales help monitor weights at critical times throughout the year, such as breeding, weaning, and so on. All scales should be tested to ensure accuracy. Simple scales can be placed in a line in a handling system. Many beef cattle, especially mature cows and bulls, graze pastures throughout the spring, summer, and fall. Animals should be moved to a new section of the pasture by the time the forage has been grazed down to 4 inches in height. Beef raised in the barn. Feeders are simple troughs to hold supplemental protein, energy, or minerals for cattle. Each cattle has its own pen. Massaging. Get ready for hoof trimming. The hoof trimming process starts. Hoof trimming is not considered routinely necessary in most beef cattle operations. Most beef cattle must be put on a tilt table in order to have their hooves trimmed for the safety of both the trimmer and the animal. Done. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.